So what I wanted to show in this video is people are asking what size impact wrench they should get, like the high torque or a mid torque or a really small impact wrench like this Milwaukee 2759 or something like this Tenwa. So for me, it's always get the most power full impact wrench first and then work your way back. If you want something smaller afterwards, sure, get something smaller. But for me, I always need the power to rip off those axle nuts fast or work on C suspension bolts or take off crank pulley bolts. And only those big, powerful impact wrenches are really going to do that kind of work. These things are going to leave you hanging without enough power, as you can see in this video. People are always talking about, getting the bigger impact to fit in the tighter spaces. Usually those tighter spaces with the smaller fasteners, you can use hand tools most of the time to tackle those if you need to. Or you could use something like a swivel joint on the bigger impact. Doesn't always work that great, but you can try. But I'd rather have more power to, work on those axle nuts versus breaking out like a 10-foot breaker bar and jumping on it, trying to get the axle nut off because I didn't have enough power. So that is just my opinion. Go for the biggest one, and then if you need something smaller later, sure, go for like a mid torque or something smaller like the Milwaukee Stubby. And that is it.